Okay. Please let me know, are you hearing me? Okay, thank you. Okay, thanks. Okay. In our previous classes, we have learned reading, writing, and in our last class, we have learned about how to edit our code. Now, in our today class, we will learn how to generate code. So today our class is how to generate code. So it is very important class because today you are going to explore and learn very advanced tool. And after today class, you will be able to perform lot of analysis, such as you will be able to use ChatGPT plus R. So all participants, please confirm me. Have you ChatGPT account? 3.5. Please confirm me if you have, type yes. If you don't have, type no. If you have this account, please type yes. And if you don't have this account, ChatGPT 3.5, please reply me. Please reply within chat, yes or no. Have you this account, ChatGPT 3.5? If have, type yes. If you no, type no. Mohammed Usman, please let me know. Have you this account? I am showing you ChatGPT. Here is a ChatGPT. Have you this account? Okay. Now I am going to explore how we do work on ChatGPT for R. So all participants, please try to perform live. So it is very easy and helpful for you to get 100% results. You need to do practice live. Okay, now I am going to next step. So when we want to help from ChatGPT, for example, today I want to create heat map, create heat map in R. So in if you want to create heat map, you can use four methods. One method, if you are familiar or known the code, you can uh, write codes. But if you are unable to remember this code, complete code, you need to edit. You can use website or you can use any written code for editing. But if you don't want to write or edit, you can also generate code from ChatGPT. So for helping from ChatGPT, you need str of your dataset. So first step for is take str of your dataset. Type str and select str units. This one. It will show you the structure of your dataset. It will show you the grammar of your dataset statistically. Type your file name, Picus. But if you have your original dataset, type your original dataset name here. and run this code. So just click on this and run this code. No, you get str of your data set, str ficus. So here is the grammar of your data set. It shows that you have 150 observations, 5 variables, dollar sign indicate column name, dollar sign indicate column name, and NUM indicate numeric. So these values are numeric. These values are also numeric. These values are also numeric. These values are also numeric, and these are also numeric values. But last one, this is the character. The last one is last variable is character. This show that CHR. CHR mean it is a character. So copy from this str, copy and paste within ChatGPT and write a line at start, or you can write a line at the end. I need, you can write, I want to draw chord diagram in R, sorry, heat map in R, heat map in R, please write script and send message. No, you can see ChatGPT write a script for me for heat map. No, he give me two packages. One is heat map and second is R color braver. So copy this code from here, copy this complete code and paste it within R and run this code. Now here is a heat map, do library, run this code. It's showing me could not the find function. Please just 1 minute, wait for 1 minute. Hello. जी वालेकुम सलाम. एक्चुअली मैं क्लास में हूँ, मैं आपको थोड़ी देर बाद ना, वो आप क्लास शेयर होती है तो मैं आपको डिस्कस करूँगा, रिकॉर्डिंग होगी. Sorry. Okay, it's showing me could not find function pipe operator. It's showing that uh, percentage greater than percentage mean pipe operator. So pipe operator is found within D player. We need a package library, library D player, and run this package. Now again run. It's working. Again it's working. Again it's working. And it give me the heat map with the dendrogram. No, you can see it created a heat map with dendrogram, also showing values within this plot. No, it is the latest code and with the values and readings showing the difference or association or correlation between different variables, and it also gives its classification based on clustering. No, if you want to draw another plot, you can also change color. You can also apply other things by using ChatGPT. No, I am sharing this code with you. So all participants, you need to generate this code by self. So copy str of your data, copy str of your data, and paste this data into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you a code, and no, you need to just run this code. When you run this code, it will give you the results. All participant please run this code and type done within chat. Or if you are not doing practice live, then please you can also let me know so that I can move to next step. If you are doing practice, it's good. But if you are not doing live practice, you can do practice after class. You can type done without any hesitation. Then I will move to next step. Please let me know. Are you working or not? Okay. No, please wait. You can do practice after class. I am sharing this class as soon as possible. So we need to perform another analysis. For example, no, I want to draw a chord diagram. Chord diagram. I again need str of my data set. Type str, str, select. No, you need to write your file name. So my file name is ficus. If you have your original file name, you can use your research data file name here. Run this code. No, you will get str. Copy this str. Copy. Copy str and again open ChatGPT. And write a message. Thanks. Send message. No, again type here and type thanks. Thanks. Now I want to create chord diagram in R and send message. Now you can say ChatGPT will generate code for chord diagram and just within a few seconds. Now copy this code, copy, open ChatGPT, paste here and run one by one. It's showing that install circleize package. I already have this package, so I just need to library. But if you don't have this package, you need to first install this package. Next step is dataset, calculate correlation matrix, circleize, create the chord diagram, and add title. No, just a few seconds you can see our beautiful chord diagram have been created. Copy this image and share within group. No. Now, if you want to create a PCA, no, third topic is PCA. No, for PCA, again say thanks. No, you don't need to give again str. Just say thanks. Thanks. No, I need PCA with screw plot and send message. Now you can see ChatGPT write a code for you just in within a few seconds. You don't need to write, read, just within a few seconds. ChatGPT gives you a code. Just copy this code, open ChatGPT, open R, and paste here and do library and run this code. No, you get a face. This is the screw plot. So no, for this is the PCA results. So I say thanks. Also draw PCA plot. No, eh, no, he is writing code for PCA and screw plots both. No, copy this code, open R, paste here and run one by one all codes. No, this is a fish plot, this is a PCA, and this is another PCA plot. No, with just you can say just within a few seconds, ChatGPT give me a code for very attractive and colorful PCA just within a few seconds. So copy this code and share within group. Okay. And no thanks. No, hopefully you are able to perform these analysis. So today class is about how to generate codes with ChatGPT and how to run these code in R. So your task is to create codes for heat map, correlation, and card diagram. So please create all these plots and share within group. If you have any question, please you can ask within WhatsApp group, and I try to share this video as soon as possible within group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.